Step inside my garage and feast your eyes on the '70 Pontiac GTO Judge, rebuilt, reborn, and itching to scare the neighbors. Under the hood, a fire-breathing, bored-out V8 that shakes the floor every time you blip the throttle. I yanked out the tired old block and built it up with forged pistons, a wild cam, and heads that gulp air like a linebacker at halftime. She snarls through custom long tubes and dumps fire out the back, louder than your ex's opinions. The paint, candy tangerine, so slick you'll spot it a mile off, and you'll hear it long before that. Chrome, there's enough to blind the sun and catch every eye rolling down the street. Inside, it's all black leather and pure attitude, with gauges that don't just tell time, they warn you how much trouble you're about to cause. This isn't a museum piece. This is a rolling declaration of war on quiet streets and boring cars. If you want pretty, buy a painting. If you want power and presence, this is your Judge. Think your ride could keep up? Drop what car you want to see me build next in the comments.